Hi, we're having a party. We're setting up right now, and it's gonna be a blackout party, mini blackout party. I don't know why it's blackout, but we're gonna put tissue paper over the lamp so it looks like a disco ball, and then we're gonna put it on the bed. See? We're setting up right now. See, hi. Hi, Rose. It's a squishy party. Squishies are. Jenna, give me one. Give me a glow in the dark one too.
Because those ones are gonna be awesome.
Okay, it's a squishy is something like this. They're little animals. This is a bunny, and then there's glow in the dark ones too. It's a frog. Here, Jenna. And we have a whole bunch of them, so we're gonna have a squishy party. Okay.
We're gonna have.
We'll come back to you when we're having a party.
Wait,
okay, bye.
wait, don't say bye. Don't say bye.
Okay, we're gonna say bye.
It's gonna be awesome.
Okay, bye. We'll come back to you at the party.